Flavia the seagull went on a walk to the park, but she forgot that the park had a swan. It was dark. She crept into the park and she swam over to see the swan, but the swan was crying. Flavia the seagull said, "Swan, why are you crying? I have eaten so many fish today out in the sea." The swan said, "I can't find any fish in this pond."
They like sandfish.
The ducks ate all the fish. The seagull Flavia said, "Hey, I know where I can find some mackerel. I'll go out to the back and get a net for you." So Flavia the seagull went to find the swan, a net full of mackerel. She waddled back to the seafront. She was really happy that she was going to help the swan. Flavia the seagull brought the net